thought that your boy Hammer was just gonna sit back while you sit this big fuck on Richard Holiday, you must be dumber than you look. So, Charles Mason, GCW, it's fucking Hammer time!
Tomorrow, right here on Fight Plus and live in Brooklyn.
Hey, Charles! You rat son of a bitch! Who the hell